Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss how to install UET Bing Conversion Tracking within our app, Google Ads Tracking and GTM. So for getting the UET Tag ID, you have to move to your Microsoft Ads account. Click on the Conversions UET Tag. So the tags I have created previously. So here is the tag ID. You can also create a new one. This is an existing tag. I have also performed some activity on it. That's why it is active. Let's open this. You will see the insights over here. Let's copy the tag ID from here and paste it in the app. So paste it and save it. And here you can see it indicates that UET Bing setup is underway and it will be completed in approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Let me move to my GTM account, open the container. Here you can see the live version 3. It won't show any data related to UET tag. Let me open it. So you can see all, there are 14 tags, 8 triggers and 39 variables. Here you can see all the tags are related to GA4 and Google Ads. There is no setup related to UET tag. So the data layer is also related to GA4 and Google Ads. So live version 4 will get published soon. Let me refresh the page. So it's not yet published. Let me refresh it one more time. So live version 4 is live. Here you can see 22 tags, 8 triggers and 43 variables are here. Let me open this live version. Here you can see tag ID is here and all the tags related to Bing have been published. Data layer has also been created related to UET tag. So everything has been perfectly published over here. You can see the data layer. So let's check it's working. Click on 3 dots and preview. Here you have to attach your store URL and connect. So it will take you to the online store. Open any product. Yes, let me open it. Add to cart. Move back to the previous tab and click on continue. So you can see tags fired and tags not fired. So UET tags are getting fired. You can see add to cart has been fired and rest of the tags will get fired as I will make a test purchase. Let me make a test purchase in the online store. Click on checkout. So purchase event is completed. Let me check in Tag Assistant, is our purchase event tracked with UET Bing or not. Let me find it out. Yes, here is a UET Bing purchase tag. It's got triggered. It's working perfectly. So all the tags, whatever activity we have performed in the online store has got tracked over here, and few events are not get tracked because they were not compatible with the theme. So I hope you have got the idea that how can you set up your UET tag within our app, Google Ads Tracking and GTM. I hope you will enjoy the experience. Do share your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.